In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a bid on Stockx. If you placed a bid and changed your mind, or you just want to tighten your budget, canceling that bid is quick and straightforward. A bid on StockX is simply the price you're offering to pay for an item. As long as that bid hasn't already matched a seller, you can remove it and you won't be charged. Start by heading to stockx.com and signing in to your account. Use a browser you're comfortable with so you can easily see all the menus. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main marketplace. What we want is your account area where your buying activity lives. Click profile at the top of the page to open your account dashboard. From there, choose buying. This narrows everything down to the purchases and offers on your account. You'll see several tabs. Open the one labeled bids. This view lists all of your active bids, including the item, size, price, and when the bid is set to expire. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct product and size, especially if you bid on similar items. Find the specific bid you want to cancel. When you're on the right one, click cancel bid. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental clicks. Read it, then confirm the cancellation. As soon as you confirm, the bid is removed instantly from your active bids. You won't be charged. StockX only processes payment if your bid is matched and a sale is created, and in this case, that won't happen. If you don't see a cancel bid option, it usually means the bid already matched a seller or it has just expired. Check your email and your orders page if you suspect a match. Otherwise, refresh the page to make sure you're seeing the latest status. That's all there is to it. Navigate to profile, go to buying, open bids, locate the bid, click cancel bid, and confirm. If you still want the item later, you can place a new bid at a different price or for a different size at any time. A quick tip: consider setting your bids to a shorter duration if you only want them to stay active for a limited time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep this process in mind the next time you need to clean up your active bids so your account reflects exactly what you want to buy.